Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. So my request is please try it yourself once and then continue with the video. So to begin with, we need to copy the question in a standard form. So 2x squared plus 1x minus 6 is equal to 0. Next step is to split the middle term. So to do that, we are looking at a condition wherein we need two numbers to replace the middle term, which when multiplied should give me 2 into minus 6, very important, minus 12. And when added, should give me plus 1. This is your condition. 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. So that is we need two numbers which does this when multiplied, and when added gives me plus 1. To find it, we need help of 12, minus 12 and its factors. So let's begin with writing the factors of 12. So 1 into 12 is 12, 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12. And I've listed plus or minus as well, right? Plus or minus of all of these numbers can divide 12, minus 12. So these are written in pairs and we have to choose one of the pair. So which pair is the best? Not the best, actually, it is the only one which suits the condition, right? 1 and 2 we cannot get, 12 and 1 we cannot get 1, 2 and 6 we cannot get 1, 3 and 4 we can get. Plus 4 minus 3 will give me plus 1, and the product of this will give me minus 12. So it sounds right. So now we have split the middle term. All we have to do is write it down. So everything else you need to copy, and in place of middle term we are writing plus 4x minus 3x. So take common, we have 2 times of x plus 2, and in between this minus 3 x plus 2, which is equal to 0. So what is common between these two terms? X plus 2 itself. And what is left out? 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So if you are confused about have you taken the right common terms, just multiply. Use distributive property and multiply back and verify if it's so. Right? 2x into x is 2x squared. That's correct. 2x into 2 is 4x. That's correct. And the next thing is, many people are confused about minus 3. They're confused about taking the negative term out. So the trick here is x plus 2 and x plus 2 have to come in both the both these terms. When you take common in both the places, we need to get x plus 2. So only way that is possible is if I take minus 3 out. So that's how you can decide if you have to take a negative term or a positive term. All these small tips helps you do the problem faster. Okay, so don't mess anything or don't miss anything. And now, since we have factorized, we can find the roots. All I have to do is x plus 2 equated to 0, x is equal to minus 2. And the next term is 2x minus 3 equated to 0. So 2x is equal to 3, divide by 2 both the sides, x is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore the roots are, in the end we should conclude alpha is minus 2 and beta is 3 by 2. You guys can pause and have a look.